What's going on YouTube? You're watching Ira Gadgets, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create thumbnail for YouTube without any skill and without using any third-party software. And guys, this method is free. You can create the thumbnail online. And guys, my voice may sound different because I just woke up, and in the next video I will tell you how you can create thumbnail using your Android phone. So guys, let's get started. As we are creating the thumbnail online, so just go to your browser and then search for canva.com. I will provide link in the description, and guys, then sign up on this website, or if you have already account then login, and here you will see a button after login, create a design button. Then guys, click on it, and then guys, search for YouTube. And on the canva.com you are not restricted to create the YouTube thumbnail or the YouTube design. You can design here many more templates. So guys, but in this video we are going to create the YouTube thumbnail, so just click on it. And guys, the benefit of using the canva.com is that, so when you click on any template like the YouTube thumbnail template, it will give you the resolution or the dimension of this design by default. Like if you are creating the thumbnail on the Adobe, so you have to give the dimension or the resolution manually, but it will provide you the dimension. So guys, I hope you are getting my point. And guys, on the canva.com here are tons of the templates by default, and here are the elements which you can use in the thumbnail, the text, and guys, the background. And here is the upload section in which you can upload the images which you want to use in your thumbnail. And guys, here you can try the Canva Pro version. It will unlock many features. And now I will tell you how you can create the custom thumbnail. So guys, for example, let's take the example of any smartphone. Like like your video is on the Galaxy S3 phone, and you want to create the thumbnail like unlock bootloader of the Galaxy S3 phone. So guys, then search on the Google for the Samsung S3 or like any device or anything. Just I am giving you a demonstration. So I am going to download this picture. So guys, I want to download this image. So download it anywhere, and then go to the Canva again, and go to the upload section and drag and drop this image to upload. And guys, just click on this image to import in the thumbnail section. Here the picture has been imported. And then guys, if you want to change the background of the thumbnail, so just click on the empty area, and guys, here is the color scheme, so you can choose any. So I have choose the gray one. And then text, go to the text section, and here are the texts you can add of your choice. Like I am adding this one. Then guys, again, just click on the text to import. So the text has been imported. So double click to edit the text. So, and I don't want this part, so just select it and then press the delete button or the backspace button. Or I am also deleting this part, and I want this part. And to move this text box, just hover your mouse here and then click and drag your mouse and double click on it to edit the text. Like this video is on the bootloader unlocking, so I will write unlock bootloader. Unlock bootloader, sorry guys, unlock bootloader S3 Galaxy. Okay guys, S3 Galaxy. Then adjust the text box, and then guys, from here you can change the text size, the font family, or the text design, the text color, and the boldness of the text. And guys, there are many things to do. As you use Canva, so you will explore it more. And guys, you can also resize the picture just by your mouse. And guys, if you want to use Urdu language in your thumbnail, so Urdu is not available on the canva.com, so you have to use Google for it. Just guys, double click on it and use the control C key to copy all the text, and then search for English to Urdu, and guys, paste your text here, and this is the Urdu version of your text. Then click on this button to copy the text, and then go to the Canva again, and then guys, select all, then backspace key to remove it, and control V here. And guys, here is the Urdu version of your text, and you can adjust the font size. And then guys, to download or export this thumbnail, so just click on the download button, and then guys, make sure you have selected the PNG version, and then guys, click on the download button. So guys, here as you can see, your thumbnail has been created and it has been downloaded successfully. And then guys, so I created the random thumbnail in the video, and this is only for demonstration. So obviously when you use the canva.com, you can explore it more and you can create the awesome design. So guys, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more cool videos like this.